A few days ago, I logged into Patreon and got a total shock. It frozen my account and deleted all my pages. The trust and safety team emailed me saying why. I'd posted AI-generated adult content that was too hyper-realistic for their guidelines. They even called out the specific post that broke the rules. You know the close swap configure workflow I showed in my last video? I filed an appeal and they told me they'll review it within 5 business days. But since they took down my account right before Saturday, I'm probably looking at a week for a response. Honestly, I'm so disappointed with Patreon. We had over 1,000 free members and 320 paid members. They destroyed that community overnight. The worst part, they made me feel like what I do is shameful and worthless. That's the part that hurts the most. Here's the thing, I've always seen configure portrait editing as pure magic. Clients, family, friends, everyone gets so hyped and happy with the results. And no matter if Patreon brings my account back or not, I want you all to join my new community. Trust me, this is going to be great for everyone. Let me tell you why. The new community is on Skool, which has a built-in forum. So besides sharing workflows, we can chat about anything, bounce ideas off each other, you name it. I've set up 2 groups, one for free members and one for paid. To say thank you for your past support on Patreon, I'm inviting all my former paid members to join the paid group for free. That means if you've ever paid for a membership, you'll get access to the paid group and all my future workflows forever. Yep, you heard that right? Free forever. Here's how to get in. If you ever paid for a membership to download my workflows, Patreon sends you a welcome email. Just forward that email to verify at myaiforce.com. You can find it by searching Welcome My AI Force in your inbox. Once I get it, I'll manually add you to the paid group and you'll get an email notification. I've already uploaded all my old workflows to the Skool classroom. You can download them from the attachments. If you have questions, just leave a comment. You can even add a screenshot or video to explain what's up. And if you deleted that welcome email, no big deal. Just forward any other Patreon email, like a paid post announcement instead. You can also join the free members group and message me directly. Just send me a message with anything that proves you were a paid member before. I also want everyone to join the free group. There, I'll share beta versions of workflows. We can brainstorm and improve them together. I'll also pass along workflows from my friends and keep you updated with the latest news. Did you miss out on supporting me on Patreon before? No sweat, you've got a second shot. The paid group, you can try it for free for 7 days. I'm super excited to have you in the new community. Let's build something amazing together.